What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 most hyped upcoming NFT projects in 2023, and this is going to be part 4. Before I'm going to show you the projects, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the very first project, it's called The Devs Free Mint. I think I already made a video about free mint NFTs and I mentioned this one. So at the time of recording this video, they already have 102,000 followers and they're gonna have 7,770 devs. So I'm assuming that's gonna be NFTs. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting crazy engagement on their Twitter posts. And if we scroll down more, like on this one as well, and this is not even whitelist spot giveaway, and it has 700 likes and 200 retweets. So I think this project is gonna do very well. And they already have a Discord and their website. So the second project, it's called Candyland. So Candyland already has 157,000 followers. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting really good engagement on their Twitter post. And then like this one right here was posted a few days ago and it has 5,000 likes and 2,700 retweets. And it's a pretty cool looking art as well, 3D animated. So this is another one I think has a huge potential and I think it's a very high project. And then the third one, it's called Typical Friends. So Typical Friends, it's actually founded by Motion Marcus, and this artist is working on Garbage Friends, Invisible Friends, and Typical Friends. There is no brainer. Invisible Friends is a very successful project. They have 500,000 followers and their original collection, it's still like 2 ETH floor price. So this is just another one that I'm keeping my eye on. And I think it's still in very early stage. And if we scroll down, they also actually getting really good engagement and there is not a whole lot of information like this one right here. It's just there's like a little emoji and a little trailer here and it's getting a lot of attention. And then the fourth project, it's called Walts Vault, and this project is by Call World and they already have a Discord and they have a website. So this looks like 1928 style, old school cartoonish vibe, and I would recommend everybody checking out their website. Website's made really cool and it's looks like 1928 style vibe. And then if we scroll down, as you can see also, they're getting decent engagement on their Twitter post, but at the same time, since they only have 13,000 followers, I think this project's still at early stage. And I'm not sure, there's not a whole lot of information when this project is gonna mint, but I'm keeping my eye on this one for sure. And then the last project, it's called the Plushies, and I think this project also has a huge potential. And then if you're a collab manager, you can reach out to this person, Pepe Plushie, and then see maybe you can get a whitelist spot for your DAO or for your alpha group. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they have 33,000 followers. They're also getting really good engagement. Like this one was posted actually a while back, over a month ago, and it has 6,000 likes and 4,000 retweets. And then there is more. And as you can see, this is not even a whitelist spot giveaway, but it's still getting quite a bit of engagement on their Twitter post. Also, they have a link tree so you can check it out and read a little bit more about this project. And this is pretty much it. So this is 5 projects that I'm keeping my eye on at the moment. I think they are the best upcoming NFT projects. And they're not in any specific order. And every project that I show you in this video, I'm going to leave links in the description below. Thanks for watching.